Hi friends. This video is Intro to 16 Best Ethical Hacking Books in 2020. 16. Mastering Hacking, The Art of Information Gathering and Scanning. Mastering Hacking is a book written by Harsh Bothra. By using this book, you would be able to learn about the modern penetration testing framework. It also teaches techniques, discovering all types of vulnerabilities, patching, and more. This book aims to provide the best practices and methodology in the simplified approach. It would help both the technical and non-technical readers. 15. Hashcrack, Password Cracking Manual. The Hashcrack, Password Cracking Manual is written by Joshua Picolet. It is an expanded reference book for password recovery, cracking methods, tools, and analysis techniques. A compilation of basic and advanced methods to penetration testers and network security professionals. It helps you to evaluate the network security of their organization. The Hashcrack Manual book contains syntax and examples. 14. Grey Hat Hacking, The Ethical Hacker's Handbook. Grey Hat Hacking, the book featuring 13 new chapters. This book helps you to fortify your network and avert digital and catastrophe with proven methods from a team of security experts. You will also learn the latest ethical hacking skills and tactics. It also offers field-tested remedies, case studies, etc. This book helps explains how hackers gain access and overtake different network devices. 13. Hacking the Hacker, Learn from the experts who take down hackers. Hacking the Hacker book is written by Roger A. Grimes. It takes you inside the world of cybersecurity. It shows you what goes on behind the scenes and introduces you to the men and women on the front lines. The book contains information from the world's top white hat hackers, security researchers, writers, and leaders. This book introducing the people and practices that help keep our world secure. 12. Hacking, The Underground Guide to Computer Hacking, including wireless networks, security, Windows, Kali Linux, and penetration testing. Hacking, The Underground Guide to Computer Hacking is a book written by Abraham K. White. This book offers the best tools for hacking and points out ways to protect your systems. The book provides instructions with command prompts. The book covers topics like hacking into wireless networks, ethical hacking, cracking encryption. You will also learn about other wireless hacking resources and various other subjects related to hacking. 11. Backtrack 5 Wireless Penetration Testing Beginner's Guide. Backtrack 5 Wireless Penetration Testing Beginner's Guide is a book by Pacts Publishers. With the help book, you will grasp the concepts and understand the techniques to perform wireless attacks in your lab. In this ethical, every new attack is described. The book gives this information in the form of a lab exercise with rich illustrations of all the steps associated. You will practically implement various attacks in your organization. 10. The Hardware Hacker, Adventures in Making and Breaking Hardware. The Hardware Hacker is a book written by Andre Huang. The author shares his experiences in manufacturing and open hardware. It allows you creating an illuminating and compelling career retrospective. This collection of personal essays and interviews covers topics related to reverse engineering to a comparison of intellectual property. It includes practices between and society into the tapestry of open hardware. This book is highly detailed passages on manufacturing and comprehensive. You can take on the issues related to open source hardware. 9. Hacking, Computer Hacking, Security Testing, Penetration Testing, and Basic Security. Hacking, Computer Hacking, Security Testing is a book written by Gary Hall. This book goes all the way from the basic concept principles to the intricate techniques methods. It is written, which suits both beginners and advanced learning. This ethical hacking book uses a language that beginners can understand, without leaving out the intricate details required for computer hacking. This book is an ideal reference book to know how to hack and how to protect your devices. 8. Advanced Penetration Testing, Hacking the World's Most Secure Networks. Advanced Penetration Testing, Hacking the World's Most Secure Networks takes hacking far beyond Kali Linux and Metasploit. The book allows you to integrate social engineering, programming, and vulnerability exploits. The book offers a multidisciplinary approach for targeting and compromising high-security environments. It also contains the crucial techniques that provide a more accurate picture of your system's defense. Custom coding examples using VBA, C, Java, JavaScript, etc. 7. Hackers and Painters, Big Ideas from the Computer Age. Hackers and Painters, Big Ideas is a book written by Paul Graham. This hacking book will have a powerful impact on how we think, how we work, how we develop technology, and how we live. The book includes topics like the importance of software design, how to make wealth, programming language renaissance, digital design, internet startups, etc. This book includes the importance of beauty in software design, how to make wealth, the programming language renaissance, the open source movement, digital design, etc. 6. Computer Hacking Beginner's Guide, How to Hack Wireless Network, Basic Security and Penetration Testing, Kali Linux, Your First Hack. Computer Hacking Beginner's Guide teaches you how to protect yourself from the most common hacking attacks by knowing how hacking works. You should stay ahead of any criminal hacker. To learn these techniques, you can read this book. This book covers methods and tools that are used by both criminal and ethical hackers. All the topics you will find here will show you how information security can be compromised and how you can find cyber attacks in a system which you are trying to protect. 5. The Basics of Hacking and Penetration Testing, Ethical Hacking and Penetration Testing made easy. The Basics of Hacking and Penetration Testing is written by Patrick Engebretson. It serves as an introduction to the steps needed to complete a penetration test to perform an ethical hack from start to end. The book teaches students how they can utilize and interpret the hacking tools required to complete a penetration test. Every chapter in this book contains examples and exercises that are designed to teach learners how to interpret results and utilize those results. 4. Penetration Testing, a hands-on introduction to hacking. In penetration testing, a security expert, researcher, and trainer is written by Georgia Weidman. The book introduces you to the necessary skills and techniques that every pentester needs. You will also learn about forcing and word lists, test web applications for vulnerabilities, automate social engineering attacks, bypass antivirus software. You will gather advanced information like how you can turn access to one machine into total control of the enterprise. 3. The Web Application Hacker's Handbook, Finding and Exploiting Security Flaws. The Web Application Hacker's Handbook is a book written by David Stuttard. The book explores the various new technologies employed in web applications. The book teaches you advanced hacking attack techniques that have been developed, particularly to the client side. The book also covers new remoting frameworks, HTML5, cross-domain integration techniques, e-redress, frame busting, hybrid file attacks, and more. This book is the most current resource on the critical topic about discovering, exploiting, and also preventing web apps and security flaws. 2. The Hacker Playbook 2, Practical Guide to Penetration Testing. The Hacker Playbook provides them their game plans. Written by Peter Kim, this ethical hacking book is a step-by-step guide that teaches you plenty of hacking features. It also offers hands-on examples and helpful advice from the top of the field. This book includes the latest attacks, tools, and lessons learned. This certified ethical hacking guide further outlines building a lab. The book walks through test cases for attacks and provides more customized code. 1. Hacking, the Art of Exploitation. Hacking: The Art of Exploitation is a book written by John Erickson. In this book, you will learn the fundamentals of C programming from a hacker's perspective. You will also know hacking techniques like overflowing buffers, hijacking network communications. You will also learn about bypassing protections, exploiting, etc. The book will give a complete picture of programming, network communications, etc. If you like this video and please subscribe, don't forget to click bell icon. Any doubts, comment here. See you in next video.